Alright, this is going to be the third way that we're going to talk about solving a system of equations by graphing. The difference with these equations is they are going to be in point-slope form. So the first day we did slope-intercept form, the second day they were in standard form, we converted to slope-intercept form, now they're in point-slope form. Now we did talk about converting these to slope-intercept form. You could do that, but we know that there's an easier way. And that is, based upon the very first equation here, what we want to do is we want to identify the point that it gives us, which it looks like it is the point -1, -3. Remember that the opposite of the x gives us the x value, and then the opposite here gives us the y value. And then this gives us our slope. So m is equal to 3, which is 3 over 1. In this, so I'm going to go ahead and graph this, okay? And I'm going to start by plotting the point -1, -3. So -1, -3 is right here, okay? And then I can use my slope of up 3 over 1, up 3 over 1, up 3 over 1. And like I said before in the previous video, you usually want to try and extend your line as far as possible, just because you do not know where the other line is going to intersect it. Okay, so there's our first equation. The second one, it looks like it has a point at 1, 3, and it has a slope of, it looks like a -1, which is -1 over 1. So I'm going to start at the point 1, 3, which is right here. And then my slope is down 1 over 1, down 1 over 1. I can go up 1 over 1 as well. But it looks like I already know where the two lines are going to intersect. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and connect my line. And it looks as though our point of intersection is right here at 1, 3. Okay, so that's our solution. Alright, let's take a look at the second example. It looks like we have a point occurring at 2, 2, 2 from the x, 2 from the y, and it looks like m is equal to a 1 over 2. So I'm going to start by plotting the point 2, 2, and then I'm going to use my slope of up 1 over 2, up 1 over 2, up 1 over 2. I'll go down 1 to the left 2. And again, I'm going to extend my line as far as possible, since I do not know where the other line is going to come in. My second equation looks like it has a point at -2, 7, and then a slope of -2/3. So I go to -2, 7, which is in the third quadrant. I go down 2 over 3, down 2 over 3, and I want to make sure I always keep going until I intersect the other line. Okay, and if I connect my two dots, I get the following situation, which it looks like our point of intersection is going to be at 4, 3. Okay, and so that's how we graph our system of equations using point-slope form. Come with questions tomorrow.